Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My wife just gave me this kit, a Playmobil Rider kit. She gave me that as a gift, just a random gift like that because she knows that I like Knight Rider stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna open that box to see what's in the box and a little unboxing. And yeah, I know I have a burnt light in my scanner. I'm in the works of making another scanner because that's a seal scanner, and if I want to change the light, I have to take all the scanner uh, take the scanner apart because the wires are welded to the light, and there's no way I can just take the red plexi and just push on the bulb and take it off. The wires are welded to the light, and there's no way to get to the light from the outer side and from the inside. So I know I have a burnt light. That's going to be fixed. I don't know when, but it's going to be fixed. So yeah, okay, let's open that box. One side. Yeah, and by the way, she bought that on Amazon. It costed $106. Wow, nice little book. It describes every little character. You know what I mean? It says that she was the mechanic, who Devin is, who Michael Knight is, and who KITT is. That's pretty neat. That's pretty neat. Oh, there's KITT. There's KITT. Devin, Bonnie, Michael Knight. There's the wheels, tires and rims. Oh, and all the furnitures, computers, chairs, the desk. That's nice. Anything else? Yeah. I have to go from the other side, I think. So we have the computers, the plates, the lights for the car, fog lights, stickers, and this. So, that's nice. What's that? Don't know what that is. Wheels. Oh, nice rubber tires. They're soft. I won't do that on camera because that's gonna be a long video for you guys. But you know you know how it works. There's are the rims, hubcaps. Sorry, and tires. That's KITT. Sorry. So I'm gonna have to find a little screwdriver, put batteries in, and make KITT top. So I got the screwdriver. Batteries, 3A batteries, plus this. I put the little door back on. And let's see. Haha. Don't know if you can see this, but okay, that's the scanner. And he talks.
You seem to be repositioning my main power booster.
And even in the dash.
Yes, well, don't you think you should pre-program me in the event you don't return?
The voice is not super loud. I think the speaker may be underneath, I don't know. That's cool. So the both of them together. Yeah, I need to fix my scanner real bad. That's the interior. The dash is neat. That's the tail light. PMD seats. Huh, that's a nice car. And it's in pretty good condition. Little mark here, but that's in the molds, I think. But yeah, overall I'm pretty happy. That's nice. So yeah. Okay, signing off. So Michael Knight, Devin, and Bonnie. I'll take this out of the that's pretty damn nice.
I'm the voice of Light Industry 2000's microprocessor, KITT for easy reference. KITT if you prefer.
All right, guys. So I just wanted to share that with you that I had a gift from my wife, and it was the Playmobil kit, Knight Rider kit, and I just wanted to show you with the replica in the background. I just thought it would make a cool video. I didn't make my kit talk because I think it would have been annoying when talking. So yeah, that's about it for the video. So thank you guys for being on my channel. And I'm very happy. I went from like 60 subscribers to 188. So that's a big thank you to you guys. I'm gonna keep making some videos. I have some updates coming for that car, for KITT, and things to fix and everything. I'm going to a car show this weekend with my friend that has a complete kit with the dash and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna share that with you guys. And yeah, if you like the video, just give me a big thumbs up and share the video and like it, or you know. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.